Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time played XP in Fortnite Creative. First, open your island settings and navigate to the Gameplay tab. Ensure Allow XP is enabled. Next, place an accolade device in your map. This device is crucial for granting experience points based on player activity. You will find it under the Devices tab in your Creative inventory. Proper initial setup is key for a smooth experience. Now, let's configure the accolade device. Select the device and open its options. Look for settings related to grant XP on time played or similar. You can specify the amount of XP granted, for example, 250 XP every 60 seconds. Make sure the device is visible or hidden as desired, and that its activation conditions align with your map's design. This ensures players receive rewards consistently. After setting up, it is vital to test your XP system. Launch your map in a private game and play for a while to confirm that XP is being granted as intended. Pay attention to the frequency and amount of XP received. If players are not getting XP, double-check your device settings. Make small adjustments, then retest until the system works perfectly and feels balanced for your players. To optimize your XP grants, aim for a balanced system. Granting too much XP too quickly can be seen as an exploit, potentially leading to penalties. A good starting point might be 100 XP every 30 seconds, but adjust based on your map's complexity. Regularly update your map with new content to keep players engaged and returning. Fair and consistent XP rewards enhance the player experience significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.